We're always sharing what's fresh on Bringing It Home. Take a look at this market in Carmel. It's worth it.
The whole thing about farmers markets, it's back to basics. Here we are in Carmel Valley. What better place to have a market? In Carmel Village, I've got 27 different wineries. I deal with somewhere in the neighborhood of 100 to 200 different vendors every week and have a variety of both vegetable farmers, orchard farmers. We have people that grow eggs. It's just the whole spectrum of from farm to table.
Yeah, I like to make sure everything's picked fresh, just especially for the customers, for fresh farmers markets. Today I'm selling some peaches, nectarines, apricots, cherries.
I've been doing it since I was 13. It's a family business since 1980. And I'm selling strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries here.
One of the other things that we do here is kind of cool. When the local chefs have an opportunity to come out and cook with us, we've had paella out here, we've had a variety of different chefs that have come to the market.
I just like it. I like this place. That's why I'm here.
We have a lot of produce and we also have food. So it's just a really nice place to hang out.
I really love this Carmel Valley Farmers Market. It's just one of the best weathered markets I go to throughout the weeks and years and everything. This is the pure definition from farm to table.
It's year-round, 10 to 3, right here at 77 West Carmel Valley Road.